Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Vacs. In today's video we're going to show you how to change out headlights on all Prolux Upright models. Alright, let's get started on changing out headlights on any Prolux Upright model. Different models have different headlights, but the configuration and the process is very similar, so let's get started. If you don't have your vacuum down to this point, we have a more in-depth video on removing the brush roll and belt that gets you to this point. So go to watch that video, we'll drop it down in the description below. But if you're at this point, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws we need to take out to get this plastic piece off. So let's get into it. Alright, now that we got the screws out, just a quick note. When you take these 2 screws out at the top, this plastic housing is going to come off, and there's going to be 2 connectors. Those 2 connectors go to the headlights, so make sure you unplug those before removing the whole plastic housing. So once that's out of the way, you can see the actual headlights. There's 2 screws holding the black plastic housing to the actual head itself. So remove those real quick. For 7,000, 8,000, and 9,000 models, when you get new headlights, it's going to be just like what you see here, complete assembly. But if you have a 6,000 model, you're going to have individual bulbs, but installation is going to be the same throughout all models. So once you have your new headlights, go ahead, reinstall them. You're going to make sure the wires are going inwards because they have to plug back into the motherboard up top. And then make sure once the headlights are in, they're securely tightened. You can take the plastic housing piece, install that, feed the wires up through this piece. And then disassemble everything again. All the screws are the same length, so no need to wonder what screw goes where. Once the screws are all tightened, you can put your brush roll and belt back on, put the bottom plate back on, and you're done. I hope that video is helpful and you're able to fix your vacuum on your own. If you need any parts, such as brush roll, belts, bags, HEPA filters, or a filter for 6,000 for your Prolux Upright models, we got them. Links for purchase will be in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our new videos. Vacs is the only authorized Prolux dealer, so if you need it, we got it. What are your thoughts on the upright models from Prolux? Go ahead and leave a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching.